Welcome back. So I just want to thank you for continuously studying the lessons in this income taxation online course. So we are moving to deductions from gross income. If you will check, kung naaalala mo, alam na natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng gross income. Okay, bakit importante na matutunan natin ang deductions from gross income? Okay, kasi of course, if you file an income tax return, ang lagi mo namang itatax is yung net taxable income. So that means, kailangan natin malaman ang deductions from gross income. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng deductions from gross income? So this is pertain to business expenses incurred by the taxpayer engaged in business or engaged in the practice of profession. It could be the cost of goods sold. It could be the immaterial capital expenditures. So I'm going to give you a list of deductions. Okay, you can check it with the summary notes. Okay, I will not go through one by one and explain it because they are also already discussed in financial accounting and reporting some of these expenses. Kailangan mo lang i-consider yung mga special considerations natin with deductions like property repairs and improvements, property acquisition and related costs, securities issue costs, manufacturing expenses, effects of accounting methods if you are under cash or accrual basis, effect of value-added tax, yung input tax natin na nililess natin sa output. Other than that, meron tayong tinatawag na general principles of deductions from gross income. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung prinsipyo o kailangang present sa expenses, okay, para ma-less mo siya sa gross income mo. So, ano to? I'm giving you 4. Okay, first is, expenses must be a loan. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng loan, hindi yung utang. So, that is an acronym. L for legitimate, O for ordinary, A for actual, and N for necessary. Okay? So, we'll discuss that. What does it mean? Okay? Now, second is, this should be in accordance with the matching principle. So, only business expenses which contribute, third, okay, in connection with the generation of income or profit subject to regular income tax are deductible. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung ginastos mo nung nag-render ka ng service or nag-practice ka ng profession or nag-trade ka ng items, lahat lang ng connection doon. So, ibig sabihin, just go back to conceptual framework in financial accounting and reporting. Okay, now, related party rule. So, that is another general principle. Gains are taxable, but losses are not deductible. Ulitin ko lang, gains are taxable, but losses are not deductible. So this is also in relation to transfer pricing rule. Okay, so those non-arm's length expenses incurred between associated enterprise may be restated to their arm's length fair values to reflect the correct income of each associated enterprises. Okay, kasi minsan, kung yan ay related party transactions, ang iba is pati losses dyan ay isinasama, which is not correct. Okay? So, tatandaan yan. And kailangan mo talagang i-identify kung arm's length transactions yung nangyari. Okay. Now, another principle is the withholding rule. So, no deduction allowed unless the withholding tax required by the law or regulations to be withheld on the income payment is withheld and remitted by the taxpayer to the government. So if it's already remitted and withheld by the government, then you can less it from your gross income. So tatandaan ulit, ang general principles natin is first, loan. Second is the matching principle. Third is related party rule, and then withholding rule. So alamin mo lang yung mga yan, madali mo nang masasagutan at makukuha ang net taxable income. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video lesson. If you haven't done so, please click the subscribe button.